Hi, I'm Ed Borman, and I want to thank you for letting me share the Diakonia Florida educational ministry with you. As part of the Florida-Bahamas Synod School of Lay Ministry, Diakonia Florida has two main venues for training congregational laity. First, we have the self-study program where students view, through our website, training videos on a given subject. To help the students, they hold weekly Zoom meetings with their subject matter experts or coach. Typically, a course covers 5 weeks, with a 1-week break between the classes to review the final assignments, and the coach completes the student evaluation. Conversely, the students complete an assessment of the course and coach. The second venue is on-site classes, currently held in Jacksonville and Sarasota. The students collectively decide which day of the week they meet with an instructor for several hours. In both venues, the students have reading and writing assignments. The students are encouraged to engage with the instructor or coach to review what they have read and, as a group, discuss the subject. We currently offer 3 course paths. First is the Faith Formation path. The classes are Introduction to the Old Testament, Introduction to the New Testament, Creeds and Confessions, Liturgical Worship, and 2 electives. Second is the Faith and Service path. The classes are Introduction to the Old Testament, Introduction to the New Testament, Communicating the Gospel, Creeds and Confessions, Liturgical Worship, Christian Doctrine, Ethics, and 5 electives. Our third path is Continuing Education for diakonia or other program graduates and now parish deacons. All students pay the one-time registration fee of $35. Diakonia graduates can view the 12 main classes in the Faith and Service course path at no charge. Those classes are Introduction to the Old Testament, Introduction to the New Testament, Practical Ministry 3, Communicating the Gospel, Creeds and Confessions, Liturgical Worship, Christian Doctrine, Ethics, Practical Ministry 1, Biblical Images of Life as a Christian, Practical Ministry 2, Pastoral Visitation, Visiting the Sick, Injured, Homebound, and those at end of life. By what authority? History of the early Christian Church. We must plant the church, a history of the Lutheran Church in North America. Connecting Sunday to Monday, the daily life of a Christian. Parish deacons and diakonia graduates are encouraged to take some of our continuing education classes. Here are some of the courses: Meeting God in Prayer, Good God Questions, Systematic Theology, Dietrich Bonhoeffer on Ethics, Equipping Households of Faith, ELCA Polity, Sacraments in Action, and many others. We encourage congregations to use our courses for Adult Sunday School. Contact Michelle Hilton or Ed Borman for details. Some of our future projects are adding closed caption to the courses for those who have audio impairments. Additionally, we are very excited to study what we can offer for the laity in Guyana. We will be in the exhibitor area here at the Synod Assembly. Please come by and see what we have to offer. Thank you.